Ever wondered how to assemble your own gaming PC? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? A beast of a machine, tailored to your specific gaming needs, built by your own hands. Today, we're going to demystify this process and guide you on a journey to create your very own gaming beast. Step 3, it's time to install the processor. Open the CPU socket on the motherboard, gently place the processor into the socket ensuring the correct orientation, then close the socket latch. Step 4, install the RAM. Locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. Open the latches on both ends, then align your RAM sticks with the slots and press down firmly until the latches click into place. Step 5, install the motherboard in the case. First, attach the I/O shield that came with your motherboard into the back of your case. Then, line up the screw holes on your motherboard with the standoffs in your case and secure the motherboard with screws. Step 6, connect the power supply unit. Place it into its designated spot in the case and secure it with screws. Then connect its cables to the motherboard and other components as per your motherboard's manual. Step 7, it's time for the graphics card. Locate the PCI Express slot on your motherboard. Remove the corresponding case slot covers, insert your graphics card into the slot and secure it with a screw. Step 8, install the hard drive or SSD. Place it into its designated spot in the case. Secure it with screws, then connect it to the motherboard and power supply unit. Step 9, connect all the remaining cables as per your motherboard's manual. This includes the case's power button, reset button, and LED indicators. And finally, step 10, double-check everything, close up your case, connect your monitor, keyboard and mouse, turn on your PC, and if everything's been done correctly, you should see your system's BIOS screen. In summary, the steps to creating your own gaming PC are simple. Gather your components, prepare your workspace, install your processor, RAM, and motherboard. Connect your power supply unit, install your graphics card and storage, connect all remaining cables, and finally, test your machine. It's a rewarding process, giving you not only a powerful gaming machine but also a sense of accomplishment in having built it yourself. So why wait? Start your journey to creating your very own gaming beast today.